We're unboxing this PS.Gravity Spray Gun today. It's a dual setup gun, so that means it comes with a primer setup as well as a top coat setup, and it's reasonably well priced, especially considering its atomization is quite fine, as well as the fan pattern is quite wide. So let's unbox this gun here and see what goodies we have inside. Alright, let's have a look. So we've got some instructions here, or a breakdown of the gun and some other information maybe you find useful. We have a pot for your paint. We have the second part of the dual setup, which if you're wanting to fast forward on how to change that over, I'll put the little time in the description. We also have the spray gun as well, which is here, there. And then we have a box of goodies here. Let's swap over the gun. Let's open up this goodies. So we have a toothbrush here for cleaning your teeth, help cleaning the gun. We have a paint strainer here, or disposable one. We have your air fitting. This here I'll show you in a second for the Allen key. Otherwise you have your main tool. Always use the hexagon part, which I'll show you in a second, but let's change it over now. So taking the needle out, just take out the fluid tip on the end here, like so. Pull the spring out. Pull the trigger a little bit, that helps you get the needle out. Then get the cap off. And this is where you got to use the hexagon part. Don't use any of these, it will damage the tip. Undo it from here. So if you are cleaning the spray gun, that's as far as you wanted to go. But this Allen key here, if you really needed to, slides into there to take this tip out. Then just a simple changeover. Now you will find it's all written on here, so if you ever lose track or lose your details, it is all written on here. And again, repeat the process. Don't over tighten your tip. One, find the right needle, or rather I probably should have put the cap on first, and the needle. Then your spring, make sure that this is on the outside, and that's it. One of the things that you might find helpful is having a gauge here, so that way you can see what PSI you can run at. Speaking of PSI, I normally run this spray gun at about 35 PSI. Also a water trap might be helpful. But otherwise, as a guide or starting point, if you wanted to, put a little mark or scratch it in so you can see on the fan pattern. So the fan pattern is all the way open and then just a quarter turn back. Your fluid tip for fluid, just again another little mark all the way in, and 1, 2.5. This is a good starting point, and you can certainly adjust the spray gun from there. Hopefully you enjoy this spray gun. Now if you are wanting to rebox this gun for storage, I'm sorry, but that will be another video.
Yeah, make sure it's real glossy.
Lovely spray gun. Comes complete with instructions.